it's the time to start cooking. Chef's signature. All right, we're gonna add the oil. You see some peppers, okay? It's a classic Haitian way. So we're gonna have the herb Lardon, chef signature Lardon. Reduce the flame a little bit. You know, and let it fry. It has to be brown-ish. Look at that. Oh my God. Smoky hot. So now we're gonna add the cooked beans because we're cooking rice and beans. So as you can see, the black beans are getting a lot of flavors, okay? A lot of flavors. I didn't add any salt yet because the herb Lardon is very salty, okay? It's boiling. It's so delicious. Now it's time to wash the rice. So our grandparents used to wash it 3 times to get rid of the starch. And they would do it like this, scrub it. Asian grandparents, rub it. Yeah, that was a nice experience. Third time, and it's all nice. Isn't that beautiful?